Hello everyone, welcome to the next chapter. In this lecture, we shall see problems on alligation or mixture. Let us check the concepts and formula. The first one is alligation. Alligation is a mathematical rule used in mixtures, particularly when combining two or more quantities of different values. It is used to find average value or determine the ratio in which the quantity should be mixed to achieve a desired value. So this is called as alligation. Next is mean price. So this is nothing but the cost price of a unit quantity of the mixture. So that is called mean price. For example, if the cost price of Q1 quantity of a product 1 is C and the cost price of Q2 quantity of a product 2 is D, then the cost price of the mixture, that is the mean value, will be equal to CQ1 plus DQ2 divided by Q1 plus Q2. This is nothing but the weighted average. Okay. So this formula is used to find out the cost price of the mixture, that is the mean price. Next we shall see when the mean price is fixed, what should be the ratio of Q1 by Q2. That is here M is fixed. What is Q1 by Q2? Okay. So we know that M is equal to CQ1 plus DQ2 divided by Q1 plus Q2. Here we shall divide the numerator and denominator by Q2. So this will become CQ1 by Q2 plus D divided by Q1 by Q2 plus 1. So rearranging, we will get M Q1 by Q2 plus M is equal to C Q1 by Q2 plus D. Therefore, we can write this as M minus C into Q1 plus Q2 is equal to D minus M. Therefore, Q1 by Q2 will be equal to D minus M divided by M minus C. So this is the formula for ratio of two quantities to be mixed to get a mean price of M. So here if you see, C is less than M, which is less than D. So C represents cheaper price and D represents dearer or costlier price. Okay, so M will be in between C and D. Okay, so this is written as rule of alligation. When the mean price is fixed, the ratio of the quantity of two products is given by quantity of cheaper divided by quantity of costlier is equal to cost price of costlier minus mean price divided by mean price minus cost price of the cheaper product. So it is written here, which is equal to D minus M by M minus C. You can pause the video and understand the concept once again. Please note that the value C and D represents cost price of unit quantity of either cheaper or costlier product. So whenever the total value is given, we have to find out the unit quantity price and calculate the ratio of quantities. Okay. Next one. Suppose a container contains X units of liquid from which Y units are taken out and replaced by water or any other liquid. Then after N operations, the quantity of the pure liquid is given by X into 1 minus Y by X power N units. So this formula is quite important to solve such problems. I will quickly show how this formula is derived. Okay. In the first set, when Y units are taken out and then replaced by water, then the factor of pure liquid is equal to X minus Y. That is, you are taking out Y units from the initial X units. So the factor is given by X minus Y divided by X. So this is the factor or the ratio of the pure liquid present. Therefore, the quantity of pure liquid will be equal to X into X minus Y divided by X. Okay. Therefore, after N operations, then this quantity of the pure liquid will be equal to X into X minus Y divided by X power N. So this is nothing but X into 1 minus Y by X power N. So this represents the quantity of pure liquid after N operations. Okay. So the formula is X into 1 minus Y by X power N. You can remember this. So here the logic is we have to find out the factor of the pure liquid which is present after first removal. That will be X minus Y by X. Then if it is repeated for N times, then the factor will be squared by or powered by N, which is equal to X minus Y by X power N. When we multiply with the initial value, then we will find out the quantity of pure liquid after N operations. Okay. We shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.